Hi, in just a second we're going to show you the monkey jump. I advise you not to do this at home, don't try it at all. These are performed by complete professionals, teenagers. We have tried this before, we had done many things before we actually tried the real thing. So do not try this at home, or it may end dangerous.
I'm Monkey Man.
Alright, go ahead.
Do you pass it?
No, go ahead.
Alright. Okay, move that stick, move out the way.
Yo, guys, look how far we get to take off the monkey's asshole.
That was Monkey Man. He's mad. He's mad. He's mad. He's mad. Oh! 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 Oh!
I have your phone. No.
It is proven he is a retard.
No, no. You need to take a shower. A shower, you're still like pooping.
These are all actually a bunch of retards. Especially that tall one there.
I have your phone.
Alright.